Hi, I'm Eddie. I'm a Chinese student from Shanghai, which is near the base of the Yangtze River. Today I'm gonna talk little bit about the water situation in China. First, I'm gonna talk about the drinking water issue. Uh, the source of drinking water in China is kind of limited, and the distribution is kind of unequivalent. It's like most of the drinking water resources are located in the southern parts in China. So the government had implemented some policies and finished programs like transferring the water from the south to the north. Uh, yeah, and it works. Um, when it comes to water pollution, government is closing factories that produce too much pollutants, and local governments are required to report the pollution situation to the central government. But during this process, bureaucracy always happens. Some local governments, um, the officials are not willing to close the factories because they generate economic profits, and the governments have incentives to underreport the pollution situation. Yeah, and another thing I want to talk about it is the uh, Three Gorges Dam program. Uh, Three Gorges was designed to prevent floods and generate power, but it turned out to be a pretty bad program which almost dried the largest freshwater lake in China. And also, floods still happens almost every year, and the power generated can only meet the needs of Beijing. Yeah. Uh, However, the general situation is not that bad as what was reported by the Western media. It seems like the Western media are always trying to make an illusion that Chinese people are living in a pretty bad situation. Uh, but but the fact is that in most areas in China, the situation is not that bad. Mm, Actually, in big cities like Shanghai, Beijing, Guangzhou, Shenzhen, uh, etc., people are living a high standard. Yeah, they are pretty much like living in highly developed countries. Mm-hmm. Uh, but if there is anything that has to be changed uh, right now is the air pollution. It's kind of scary. Yeah. And the government is trying to make a difference. Let's wait and see how it works. All right. Thank you.